This tutorial is going to be about adding or embedding videos either through YouTube or Vimeo directly onto your mycliq page for visitors to view. Go ahead and edit an already existing mycliq page. I'm going to go ahead and hide all of the settings here. I'm going to click on the show links. Now you'll notice that I have a YouTube link right here on the right, and rather than directing users to my YouTube page, instead I just want to embed specific videos that I want the user to see. So I'm going to go ahead and find the YouTube link here. I'm going to click enable subpage and I'm going to toggle on enable video embeds. Now what I can do here is click add video, and this will create a drop down for me to add a YouTube link. Now it's really simple to grab a YouTube link. All you have to do is just select a video, click share, and then copy this link. And then I can paste it right here. Now, when somebody visits the page, they will see the video here. Now, I'm just gonna go ahead and add a couple other videos. Now you'll notice that they're all going to be displayed here. So I'm gonna go ahead and save the page so that we can preview it live. And what's really cool about this is, let's go back to our dashboard. We'll click view. Now let's pretend we are in a mobile view. I'll click the YouTube pane. It will load 3 videos. Now someone can watch a video directly by just clicking the play button. Today, I'm going to take you through the process of making this logo animation. Or they can full screen. They also have the ability to add closed captioning, change the quality, or to actually share the video, or go ahead and view it on YouTube. For now, I'll click out of that. We'll go back. And that is pretty much it for adding video embeds. Please know that YouTube and Vimeo links are supported.